creamy, hot, buttered rum. Okay, look at that. Okay, that's nutmeg coming from the heavens. All right, so we start off with butter. What? Brown sugar. Are we baking? Powdered sugar? I guess it's a bake-off, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we, what you call that? Spatula together? I don't know. I can't cook. All right, hit it with a little bit of cinnamon. Feel like this is a baking video. Some nutmeg. Okay, and we get more of a mix going on there. Then, oh, we add in ice cream too? Okay, there's a real soup going on here. Get that in, and that is our mix. Okay, now we take that. Dude, this is kind of cool. You know, what we're doing. We put it in a little coffee mug, okay? Hit it with some spiced rum. And then some hot water on top of that, okay? Bingo. Stir that bad boy up. All right, this is wild. So whipped cream on top. Are we kind of eating like a baked cake or something? Cinnamon stick and then some nutmeg from the heavens. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the creamy hot buttered rum, all right? It's a really cool drink, okay? Really involved, but give it a try, especially like on a cold winter's day. This one's nice. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy. Check out tipsybartender.com.